Eventually, a union came in to our place, to the cotton goods industry. It was called Local 65, a hotbed of communism. And they unionized us. I used to walk on the picket line saying, what do we say? We want a living wage. $15 is not a living wage. So anyway, the union got in, and we had to hire extra people, so they hired them through the union. And one of the girls they hired was Ethel Rosenberg. I worked with her. We used to go out to lunch with her. She was, while she worked for us, she was a timid little girl. She was very poor. She had a beautiful singing voice. We used to go out to lunch together. She used to take me to places where they were full of communists. And we were all very idealistic. We were a little pink, all my friends. Russia signed the non-aggression pact with Germany, and that disillusioned us all. We weren't communist. You know, one of my friends was a communist. She joined the Young Communist League, Florence. But the others didn't. And as far as Ethel Rosenberg was concerned, I had left a long time before she was executed. I don't think she was guilty. I think her husband was. But she was married while she worked for us. But it was quite an experience. Later on, it was a terrible thing to read about her and all.